disinfectants when they are on biofilm. 10 to 10 times more resistance. And that's very funny because, for example, when I was working in the meat industry, I was scared about listeria because it was a big problem and very difficult to eliminate. And suddenly, when you go to a lab test, it's one of the weakest. So when they are on platonic way, it's very easy to kill, and when they are on biofilm, absolutely difficult. So,
Still have the last 10 minutes.
okay. So, well, keep in mind that if you have biofilm on surfaces or pipes, you have 10 to 100 times more difficulty to kill it. So, it's very important to use a disinfectant that is able to work with biofilm or organic material. Uh,
So my question is related to biofilm. If you already work with the meat industry, so my question is, in case of cleaning in place of making machine, can we use this product?
yes. Yes, you need to still use the detergents, like the organic.
Detergents, we already use detergents.
Okay, and after that is you can use fixed vials to flush the water because you will
At
be
what temperature of water?
the temperature doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
No matter because as I said, if